Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity, a crucial field in our increasingly digital world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. Let's explore why it's more important than ever to stay informed and protected. Stay tuned. Have you ever wondered how safe your online activities really are? Did you know that every year, millions of people fall victim to cyber attacks? Picture this. You're browsing the internet, thinking you're safe and secure. But are you really? Today, we're going to delve into the world of cybersecurity and reveal some essential tips and tricks to help you stay safe online. Tip number 1, always use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Did you know that using the same password for multiple accounts makes you more vulnerable to hacking? Another important tip is to enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Be mindful of the links you click on and the attachments you download. Phishing scams are on the rise, and it's crucial to stay vigilant. Updating your software regularly is also key to staying safe online. Software updates often include security patches that protect you from the latest threats. When it comes to public Wi-Fi, proceed with caution. Avoid accessing sensitive information while connected to public networks to reduce the risk of data breaches. Lastly, be wary of the information you share online. Your personal data is valuable to cyber criminals, so think twice before oversharing. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can significantly enhance your online security and protect yourself from cyber threats. Remember, when it comes to cybersecurity, prevention is always better than cure. Stay safe, stay secure, and stay smart online. Thank you all for tuning in and exploring the essentials of cybersecurity with us today. Remember, knowledge is your best defense in the digital world, so keep learning and share what you know with others to help build a safer online community. Stay curious, stay safe, and see you in the next video.